mean, I'll just take one.
Yeah, I'm about to get into this burger real quick, so let me let y'all get it. Okay, looky here. Mmm. 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 Mm-hmm. Mmm. Yep. Now, I wanted to get the chicken sandwich, Popeye's chicken sandwich on video. Me eating it, but check this out. I had already tried it. I had already had a taste of it, and I didn't do a video on it. So I'm like, is all the hype gone away? So let me take this time to say thanks for watching. I ask that you like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And right now, I'm at the In-N-Out by the LAX, so that if you hear that noise in the background, that's what you hear. I'm in my city, which is Los Angeles. No place I'd rather be. Okay, okay. So I'm just eating this In-N-Out beef burger. Like, this is I love burgers. I really, really do. And I'm gonna try to get like at least 8 bites out of this burger. That one. Yeah. I got babe to the left of me. But you know he ain't into the YouTube stuff. So I ain't gonna never put him on camera. He ain't gonna be on film no kind of way. So yeah. So I'm feasting. This the holiday weekend. I'm not gonna worry about it. But after all this is over with, I will be fasting. Okay. So I hope everybody in the land is feeling fancy and free and doing the things that they love to do. Because that's for sure what I'm doing. So, thank y'all. See that fry with that ketchup on it? What you like to put on your fries? I like ketchup. I like, what's that? Thousand Island. And when I go to the regular hamburger stands, I love chili peppers. Mira, your papas y yo hamburgueso, carne, queso, lechuga, tomato, okay? Es muy fresco. Muy fresco. Es muy bien. Okay? Yeah. This burger is bomb, babe. Bomb, babe. Bomb, okay? Trying to make sure I have to keep my little top up. Good Lord, I feel like it's trying to fall down. I'm sitting in the parking lot right now, smacking and eating. It's sunny. I think it's about, what, 90, 85 degrees out here. It might be 90, in the 90s. My birthday, I enjoyed my birthday. Oh my goodness. They took me to Benihana's in Santa Monica. That was a nice experience. Ooh. Ooh. I have flowers. My mom and my sister did my twist, the passion twist. So yeah. Okay, I just been feeling myself. So yeah. That's what I'm doing right now. Tearing up this burger. Oh. And y'all, I'm not even supposed to be having a shake. But I have a strawberry shake. Okay. Straight. And look. Give it a little twirl action. Keep it nice and cold. Okay? I don't do this too often, but I do it. Okay? So, yeah. Okay, let me take another bite for y'all. Okay.
Old school navigator with the old rims on it, the OG.
So, this is it should be a landmark if you come to California. This should be one of the landmarks here. So, if you do visit here, you have a lot of things that you can do. We have theme parks. We have a lot of eateries. We have our beaches. There's so much to do here. So, if you come to California, make sure you stop at this spot right here, in and out, near the LAX. So, I'm going to finish eating my food. This is your girl, Virgo Creativity. I ask that you like, share, and subscribe to my videos, and I want to say thank you so much. And I hope wherever you are in the land, you're feeling fancy and free, and you're doing the things that you love to do. Peace.